Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on making a simple but effective rain shower head from PVC pipe. Please follow the video to see how I do it. I am using a 1-inch PVC pipe. First, mark 2 symmetrical points on the pipe as shown in the video, and use a drill to create 2 long grooves along the marked positions with a width equal to the thickness of the PVC pipe you are using and about 7 mm long. Now, cut a piece of PVC pipe equal to the width of the groove you just created and the length equal to the diameter of the PVC pipe. Fix it in place as shown in the video using super glue and remove any excess. Next, drill a small hole in the center of the plastic piece. After that, you'll need a 1-inch PVC coupling and drill a hole of about 3 mm in the center of this coupling. Even if it's slightly off, it won't have much impact. After drilling, attach it back to the PVC pipe you made earlier. Not done yet, please follow the video for this crucial step. You'll need a screw for the next step. Use a rust-resistant screw for better durability and screw it into the PVC pipe as I demonstrated in the video. Now, let's test it together. You can see the water sprays beautifully, right? You can adjust the water by turning the screw up or down to achieve your desired spray. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this idea will be helpful for you.